Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.
Next one, next one, next one.
Intention is not for you to die. The warrant doesn't specify any particular need for you to be alive, but
You're there also for him.
who's your sister?
Are you alliance?
Am I alive?
What?
Who's your sister?
I don't know.
Is it weird on purpose or are you like River? You have hallucinations?
So you're a bounty hunter.
That ain't it at all.
Then what are you?
I'm a bounty hunter.
Okay, you're playing with him. Early?
I like the weight of it.
You're clever, Early.
I thought the intention was not to kill me.
Kylie's fear, even if I didn't like that, and I think that writers could have imagined something else, and right now you're playing with
The plan is
his mind.
you are gonna help me look for her.
I don't think my last act in this verse is going to be betraying my sister.
Because every second you're with me is a chance to turn the tables. Get the better of me. Maybe we'll find the moon.
Are you like her? Can you read people's face, mind?
Which part of your plan dictated the necessity of beating up a shepherd?
I ain't a shepherd.
Ah!
The people you're planning to sell her to cut off her brain in a lab like this. Bandit on a murder on just an
You know,
innocent
get shot. Be a surgeon, you know. Know what kind of pain you're dealing with. They make psychiatrists get psychoanalyzed. They don't think a surgeon can cut on. That's it right to you.
Don't think about
That's
it.
a moment, doctor.
You can't feel it. Like River, you're like River.
200,000 seems fairly pointed to me. Money like that, I can retire. Your sister's becoming a real annoyance.
I feel for you.
I'm not gonna waste my time threatening you. Because I think you believe I will kill people if someone says my plan. I'm gonna seal you in.
You can still walk away from this. I know you're tired.
Don't go visiting my intentions.
Don't do what he's doing. Ah!
Let's go. You show yourself. Finish this exchange.
Did she put herself with Mal, where Mal is since the beginning?
You're wrong, Early.
I'm not wrong, dumpling. I will shoot your brother dead if you
Wrong
don't.
about River. They didn't want her here, but she couldn't make herself leave. So she melted.
What?
Didn't know she could do that, but she did.
You switched, you know, personalities or something like that?
I'm not on the ship. I am the ship.
River,
River's calling. I'm talking to Serenity. And Early? Serenity is very unhappy.
I love the spirit, but I hate that for River it's real. What she's saying and all.
Afraid. Let me up. I don't know where it came from. It's okay.
Tell me where you were. I'm sorry. I didn't know what else to do.
Mommy, you can do something for me. Gotta be brave. Got tools. Something sharp. Don't be scared.
Where's she going?
What is your plan, River?
not incorporeally possessing a spaceship.
Right there, how she talked to Kylie, she was
You
River.
somewhere on
Mr. Jubal Early, bounty hunter.
You
Can I
know?
call you Jubal? Mother does. I'm sorry. Did. She's gone now.
You have these informations about him?
I don't think your intentions are honorable.
No, I'm a bounty hunter. I live by a code, though. Which I think is worth
Hurt people.
only when the job requires it.
Wrong. Crawl inside me uninvited and you hurt my crew. I see everything that
I
passes.
only hurt people because they keep.
Serenity, not River. I'm sorry.
You want to start it now?
She's talking like she's Serenity. Okay.
My sister's a ship. We had a complicated childhood.
She's not, she's playing. She's playing. I'm trying to reassure myself
I care.
about River's
You gonna come
mental
outside?
health.
Do me a favor, Captain.
There was a guy. How come there's a guy on board and how come you're all of a sudden the ship?
I know you have questions. There isn't a lot of time, Captain. I need you to trust me.
What, Gene?
Do you trust her?
Y'all are. Don't make faces.
You know if I was out located door?
Won't help.
You know the exception of one deadly number.
Yes, I need my pillow. I'm really worried for River's mental health. Come on, Kylie. You're organizing
Is his face wearing
the
armor?
plan to fight him. You're all trust her right there, right now.
Go now.
It's such a change, you know, in comparison of the beginning of the episode with some of you
Not welcome here.
who didn't want her on board. Now you
Think I'm a leader?
are trusting her with your life.
You like to hurt folks.
Oh, it's the job.
That's why you took the job. Your mother knew. Sadness in her when she waved goodbye.
That's rough, what you're saying, River.
You want you to shut up now.
Your golden retriever sitting on the lawn. Neighbor's pet.
It's your photo
So,
that we saw before. Maybe she is into your ship.
You're not my girl, man. You're on my golden ship.
Said it first.
very interesting. All these buttons.
Okay. We're not touching those, okay?
You're not righteous. Got issues.
No. Or yes. Good job. I'm not 100%.
Talk too much.
I'm flawed in
River,
every
you
way, so
can't
I go on.
talk about that.
I'm going with you.
River, would you?
I said it.
Oh, go on.
That she was gonna give herself to him.
Can't be controlled.
I didn't know like that for sure.
Trusted. Everyone could just go on without me and not have to worry. Be what they wanted to be. Be with the people they wanted. Live simple.
No, River, no.
No secrets.
Come on, guys. You all trusted her right there.
I'll be your bounty, Jubilee.
You won't. Be fine, be his bounty. No.
Simon?
He's the doctor. I mean, to save him right now. You're not gonna die. River, you're not gonna accept that. You're gonna come back.
Think so? Some of us feel differently.
Bye bye. River.
Permission to come aboard?
You could run the thrash for messing up your plan.
Thanks so much looking after.
It was the plan. You told Mal to do that. You didn't want to follow him, not really.
You got the bullet.
I'm this close to cry. I'm trying not to.
If he had left, I'd say his chance would be about 1 in a very large number. She lived. Yeah.
You didn't leave, you didn't say goodbye, you're still there.
I can win this.
No, I'm hearing a lot of talk there, genius. Come on, show me what you got.
Kylie, I'm glad that you are like that with River. She needs a friend. Lost in the universe. It was not a final episode like final episodes of seasons are supposed to be, because of the fact that it was not supposed to be the final episode, and I said it, I'm not considering it as the final episode, but the episode before the final episode, which is gonna be the movie. Did you follow me right now? But as the last episode before the final episode, it was a good one. It was a good one because it was about River, and I said it, River's story, the mystery about what they did to her, why do they want her and all, it's the main story of the season, but also of the entire show. So it's good to have this last episode before the end being about River. And being about River, because of why they are searching for her, we have a bounty hunter who is searching for her just right there, but mostly about her psychology, how she is feeling, what she is feeling around people and all, why it's overwhelming for her to be around people, because she can feel what they are feeling. She can't read into their minds, but she can read their feelings and feel their feelings, and it's too much for her to handle. And she has also hallucinations, and that hallucination, you know, with the gun and all, it's explaining a lot why she attacked like that, or she did stuff, weird stuff into the past episodes. It was during hallucinations like that. I was concerned about her mental health during the episode, you know, that part, acting like she was Serenity. I was like, fuck, we lost her for good. It was not totally a surprise for her to potentially be schizophrenic. It would be logical, so that's why I believed into it when she said it. I was afraid of it being true. But no, it was a part of her plan, of River's plan since the beginning, to act like she was Serenity for the guy, you know, to play with the guy, to let her time, to tell everyone to do things like that, to tell to Kylie to open all of the doors, to tell to Mal to put all of that, to go out, you know, to be there, to push early into the space, you know, and all that was a part of the plan that River did and created. The fact that she did it and they all trusted her enough to follow her, to obey to her and all, it's proving that they trust her, and that what they said about her at the beginning, the fact that she can't be trusted, that she's dangerous and all, you think of that, but in fact you trust her even more than you fear her. Do you understand what I mean? They're a little afraid of that part of her and what she can do when she's like that, but they trust her and they want to believe into her more than that. It's great. And it's great also what Simon did, how he positioned himself, you know, right there with this guy, and what he did for his sister and all of that. It's great because it's showing again that their relationship is beyond everything, and that he's gonna protect and defend her against everyone, anyone, against all of the members of the crew. He did it during that discussion, and also that bounty hunter. That discussion at the beginning, I was a little disappointed by Kylie, not because she said that, because it's logical with her character to be honest about that, to tell it to the crew, and she waited a little to say it, so I'm not mad at her or disappointed about her because she said it, but it's how she said it, she amplified a little the situation. It's logical with her character, but it's something that I don't like. You can tell the truth without amplifying it, you know. All of them talking like that about River, and River hearing all of that. Oh, it made me so sad for the girl, especially after us, you know, seeing how she's seeing everything, feeling everything. It was so rough. That guy, that bounty hunter, it surprised me the fact that he could feel stuff like that also, you know. Like he felt that Simon was about to attack him during that moment, and he was not looking at him at the same moment, so I really thought that he was like River, that he could feel stuff like River, and a part of me still thinks that. I don't think that we're gonna have him back, because right there really is lost in space. It's only in Gravity. I can't remember the name of the movie, you know, with Sandra Bullock, Lost in Space, like that. It's only into that movie that someone can survive like that, lost in space. Him, I don't think that he can survive. But I'm still wondering about how he could feel stuff like that. River, she knew all of that about him because of the fact that she was into his ship. The discussion that they had about River at the beginning, Mal didn't take any decision, for sure. He was waiting, he wanted to think about it. Simon was defending his sister for sure. Kylie was afraid of River. Zoe, she said that she was sorry for the girl. Wash was more like she can be dangerous for us, like Jane was also like that. I can't blame Jane for that, you know, because she attacked him into another episode. The shepherd, I can't remember the position of the shepherd. And Inara, she was more like, we're talking about River's life, about our lives, we have to really take a decision. But she didn't take a side, you know. She was concerned about everyone's safety, including River's safety. I'm glad, you know, that scene at the end, it was a good one, it was a one-shot scene, you know. I like that, you know that I like that. If you are watching, especially my reaction to movies, you know that I like scenes like that filmed, you know, into one shot. I think that they are really great. And that was a good one. I'm really glad that River is playing like that with Kylie, that Kylie's attitude changed, but that also River, she has a friend, she needs a friend like Kylie. It's great also to see that the shepherd and Jane, they really, you know, they are really used now to train together, they are really friends also for each other, which is fun when you are thinking about how it began. Inara with Mal, you didn't leave the place, Inara, not for now. Maybe you're never gonna leave the place. You know, it's something that she's saying like, I'm gonna leave it, I'm gonna do it as a threat, but she didn't do it. And I don't think that she's gonna do it during the movie, or it's not gonna be for a long time, she's gonna come back and all. So no goodbyes. I'm not gonna have the goodbyes, you know, that episode that I thought that I was gonna have a goodbye episode between the characters and Inara. But he tried, you know, Mal touching her lips like that, like you're trying to convince her to stay in a way, what they said about where they were gonna leave her. You're trying things, man. I see what you're trying to do. If I'm coming back, you know, to what River felt at the beginning of the episode, she was right about Simon. He's still thinking about what his life could be without her. Jane is really sorry for what she did. But the shepherd, what she felt about the shepherd, it's confusing me. And you know that guy early, he said something like, he's not a shepherd. He knew that the shepherd was not a shepherd. He knew who was the shepherd. Yes, what she felt and what Early said, it's making me think again about the fact that we don't know the real identity of the shepherd. It chose Serenity, the shepherd, on purpose. Persephone, you know, at the beginning, it chose Serenity to be there. Did he choose it for Mal? Did he choose it because he knew that River was going to be there? I'm beginning to have doubts. You know my theory about him? The fact that these guys helped him and left him like that, leave the place, for me, is not a politic person. It can be because that situation would have been a diplomatic issue, but maybe more someone from the military, someone who fought during the war. River, if it was someone, you know, who was involved into the situation with her, River would have felt it. So no. I really think that it's more something like a war thing, a military thing. We'll see, and I'm gonna see that, I hope, during the movie that I'm not gonna watch today. I'm excited about the movie and the conclusions that they're gonna give to everyone and everything. Again, I don't think that they can give a big end, you know, to all of these stories and development of characters. Some of them, they have to be short to keep the time that they need for the big ones. I know that in advance, you know, I know how it's functioning, but I hope that the solution, you know, the response is gonna please me. Even if they're gonna make it in a quick way, I hope that the answer, the response is gonna please me. And you and I, we're gonna see that on another day. So it's all for you and for me for today. So it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Rain